Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Haja. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
This is my lovely mother-in-law. You might have seen her a lot on my channel, and today she is the makeup artist for the third time now, because you guys enjoy the videos with her and you enjoy her makeup looks, and yeah, that's why I created a third look where we apply an engagement makeup, and we hope you will like it. My mother-in-law is going to apply it step by step, and I'm going to explain it to you. It's going to be beginner friendly. You can apply it on yourself and your engagement, and I hope you learn a lot and enjoy this video. So my mother-in-law is starting off with a primer by Maybelline called Makeup Perfector 4-in-1. So I just said she can give me the product so I can show it to you. This is the Makeup Perfector 4-in-1, and she is using it as a primer to even out my complexion.
Jasne nádherné, keď čísi vezani.
No, it's enough to apply it with your hands. What I love about this product is it makes your pores smaller, and it evens out your skin tone. It's basically a lightweight matte foundation, and I love to wear it when I'm on the go and I don't want to wear makeup. As you can see, the redness of my face is completely vanished, and just looks much more better now when you apply the concealer, and then you're basically good to go. But since this is going to be an engagement makeup, that's why we're going a little bit more heavy or glam than usual. She just said I should have plucked your brows, but I think it's okay, you guys can't really tell. Yeah, you can do this if you... So she applied the concealer to start off with my eye makeup. My mother-in-law is going back to our home country on Sunday, this Sunday, in like 4 days, 3-4 days, and yeah, going to be sad. I'm not going to have anybody to make videos with. Yeah, but I'm really surprised and glad that you like the videos a lot, because they get a lot of views. She's applying a dark brown eyeshadow shade from the Tarte Lit in Bloom palette, my favorite palette. And she's using a smudger brush to apply it on my lash line. Okay, now she's applying a cream light matte eyeshadow from the palette. Going to show you later. I think she's applying it all over my lid.
خب الان میبینمت.
husband is texting me. I want to see what he is saying. Telling me not to cook because he's having a sandwich for dinner at work.
He's on a diet.
He's on a diet. Doesn't eat for dinner late. Talking about diet, I am on an intermediate fasting lifestyle. I'm not calling it diet because I'm doing it like for almost 1.5 years. And guys, I've lost like 16 kilos only with the intermediate fasting, and I really didn't restrict myself. I just ate. In the beginning, where I wanted to lose weight, I just ate really healthy, and I focused on eating like more proteins and less carb. However, I had carbs at least once a week. I had a good amount of carbs. And I didn't restrict myself, as I said. When I felt like I needed something sugary or something sweet, I went for it. I just didn't exaggerate, you know, because I've been doing diets like for years, and when I restrict myself, I just can't control myself later. You know, the body wants what it wants. She's cleaning the parts to make the wing of the eyeliner, which is created by eyeshadow, more precise.
اون خط تیره ای رو که پشت چشم میندازیم مشروع کنیم فید کردن. فقط به اون خط احتیاج داشتیم.
Okay, she's basically blending the bold eyeliner she has created on my eyes. Anyway, we were talking about diets and stuff, so in general I do recommend everyone to do intermediate fasting because it has many benefits. Other than losing weight, you benefit from the other health benefits, like you're less likely to deal with inflammations in your body, and your body will enter a state which is called autophagy, in which your cells renew themselves, the dead cells, body cells, renew themselves, basically like recycling themselves, which keeps you younger. Which basically means it will slow down the aging process, and I think that's a good thing, right? And it prevents you from getting diabetes of any kind, and also some cancer or heart diseases. So it's really a good thing. That's why it developed.
Okay.
It developed into a lifestyle thing for me. I'm not doing it anymore for losing weight. I'm doing it for the other benefits. And yeah, in case you're interested, I would recommend you to watch the videos by Dr. X Stenberg, I think he's called, or Steven Ekberg, whatever, he's called Dr. Ekberg. I will maybe link down one of his videos if you're interested in my description box. I followed his advice and his videos, which are very, very informative, and yeah, will help you a lot in your journey with fasting, losing weight, or just doing it for the other benefits. Oh, I didn't tell you how it's done. It's basically you eat in a specific time frame you choose, like in an 8-hour window or 6-hour window or 4-hour window, but it's the most popular time window is the 8-hour window, where you eat 8 hours and fast the rest 16 hours. It's really easy. Okay, we're back, and now both eyes are complete and I think they look gorgeous. So now she's filling in my brows. This is our cat Whiskey. I don't know whether you have heard him, but he's so cute. My other cat Lula is sleeping next to me on the left side. You cannot see him. He's a Scottish British short hair cat and such a cutie. If Whiskey comes, I will pick him up and show you guys. So cute. Yes. And now she's fixing my brows with a brow gel by Got2b, my favorite one. Now we're going to work on the base, and she's using a foundation by L'Oreal called Perfect Match, a golden beige one. The makeup turned out very beautiful, but I think it's an Oriental Middle Eastern makeup style, which is new to me because my eyes look a lot elongated, but beautiful. As I said, it's new to me. And she's applying the lipstick by Charlotte Tilbury in Pillow Talk. We're done with the makeup. Ta-da! Yeah, it looks gorgeous like always. I didn't expect it other way.
درست کرد دیگه میتونیم ببندیم.
من فکر کنم باز نگرش داره.
میتونیم.
We're discussing how to make the hairs, but I think let's keep them open. نه ماما میگم باز نگرش داریم.
هم این هم این.
Like maybe do this اینجوری مثلا بکنیم فقط اینجا رو ببندیم فقط با یک کشی میشه.
یه دو سنجاق برای میزن
داره تو اون کشو هست. Yeah, looks beautiful. You could go and apply some flowers around it and it will look like more bridal. But yeah, that's it for this bridal look. I hope you've enjoyed this look and you have learned a few new things and also are inspired to try this look or practice this look for your engagement or even your wedding maybe or any occasion really. Yeah, thank you for joining us. My mother-in-law also thank you guys for watching this video and we wish you all the best and please comment down below your thoughts on this look and whether you would want me to record more of these videos and yeah, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and share this video with your loved ones. It will support my channel and see you guys in the upcoming videos. Stay tuned for more every weekend. Thank you.
Bye bye.